If your acne gets worse when you're overwhelmed, if it shows up along your jawline, if it flares during stressful weeks, this might not be hormonal. It might be stress acne, and treating it like regular acne could be why it's not going away. Today, I'll explain what stress acne actually is and how to fix it naturally. Stress acne is inflammation-driven. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol increases oil production, triggers inflammation, slows wound healing, disrupts sleep. That combination creates breakouts that appear suddenly, feel deeper, take longer to heal, flare during emotional stress. It's not just what you're putting on your skin. It's what your nervous system is signaling internally. Hormonal acne usually follows a cycle. Stress acne follows your lifestyle. Ask yourself, did this breakout appear during deadlines, poor sleep, overtraining, emotional conflict? Stress acne often appears along the jawline, around the chin, on the lower cheeks, and here's the mistake most people make. They increase actives, more exfoliation, more stripping, more treatments. But if inflammation is internal, you can't scrub it away. Your skin is not separate from your brain. When you're in fight or flight, blood flow prioritizes survival, repair slows down, barrier function weakens. Your body isn't focused on glow, it's focused on protection. Chronic stress keeps your body in that mode, which means your skin never fully heals. This is where regulation matters, not just products. 1. Lower cortisol daily. 5 minutes of slow breathing, long exhales, especially before bed. 2. Improve sleep. Skin repair happens at night. Protect your wind down routine. 3. Stop overtraining. Exercise is good, chronic stress is not. 4. Gentle skincare. Focus on barrier repair, hydration, aggression. 5. Release facial tension. Unclench your jaw, relax your tongue, drop your shoulders. You're signaling safety, and safety reduces inflammation. Your acne is not random, it's communication. Instead of asking, what product do I need? Ask, what stress do I need to reduce? Your skin heals when your body feels safe. Before changing your routine, try regulating for 1 week. You might be surprised how much your skin responds. Glow isn't just topical, it's neurological.